The battle over Mnangagwa succession plays out in South Africa. Achipere mushi panguva ine patikona kuti succession yemutungamiri wenyika mavoices achikola kuti mutungamiri wenyika aiwa anga achiresigna aiwa vachinozorora. Pane maspeculations akasiyana-siyana ari surrounding the immediate resignation. Panguva ine toona kuti the main issue yotitiridza munyika our neighboring country South Africa. Sana pena mashoko budanyirwa panapa bro subscribe like turn the bell icon timbira panapa mu standard vanodanyira chiti the increasingly bitter battle to succeed President Mnangagwa is now playing out in South Africa's legal system after a former ZANU-PF activist who has become one of the leading voices calling for the veteran ruler to step down was detained in that country under a cloud. Wellington Masiwa, popularly known by his moniker Nokemabunu, whose audio recordings and the social media campaigns helped expose the ugly side of the fight to succeed Mnangagwa, was arrested in the neighboring country on April 13 by unknown people who later handed him over to the South African authorities. He was charged with violating that country's immigration laws, and Zimbabwe is now said to be fighting to have him extradited on fraud charges. Police in March said they were looking for Masiwa in connection with a $60,000 fraud case that allegedly happened in June last year in Mazoe. Masiwa's sympathizers allege that he is the latest target of the state-sponsored political persecution orchestrated by ZANU-PF operatives across borders. Mashoko anobuda panguva ino yatikuona the latest version yenhau yesuccession yemutungamiri wenyika yatikuona kuti abwa tisinawo best muSouth Africa tinoona nyoka yemabhunu panguva ino vachibatiwa pamusoro pemacharges ekuviolata maimmigration laws emunyika yeSouth Africa. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Tinoona ZANU-PF ichipindira panhau iyi ichiwedzera kutowedzera macharges pamusoro pake vachitoda kutomubata kuti atori nedzimwe mhosva munyika ino yeZimbabwe. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.